Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Rumela and welcome back to another episode of a top 5 under 500. Now I have started the series actually of sharing my top 5 products under 500. These will include makeup, skincare, miscellaneous products, things that I am currently loving and those that are affordable. And I've created only one episode. This is the second episode. I will try and create more of these series, I promise. If you guys like such series and want me to create more of these, then let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you are new here, hi, I'm Rumela. I make makeup, skincare, lifestyle and mom life related content here on YouTube. So if you like my content, please hit the subscribe button down below and also the notification bell that's right next to it. In today's video, I'm going to share my top 5 skincare products under 500 that I am currently loving and I'm obsessed with. These are really affordable products and they work like magic. Now, I am someone who always invested in makeup. For the longest time in my life, I've only invested in makeup. Now since I've gotten into skincare, I've realized how important it is to take care of your skin, and it has literally changed my skin in such a small span of time. Like in around 2-3 months, my skin has looked so good. I honestly feel like I don't even need a lot of foundation, concealer and all of that to hide my scars, except my dark circles. I'm really working on that, but apart from that, taking care of my skin and using great skincare products has really helped me achieve beautiful skin. All the products that I'm going to share today are the products that I use in my daily routine. I don't necessarily use these on a daily basis. I do mix and match according to what my skin needs that day, but these are something that I definitely reach out to a lot. And these are some skincare products that I have been obsessed with since the past a month or two. So I thought of sharing with you guys. The first product that I want to talk to you guys about today is something that I have been eyeing since such a long time, and I never really got my hands on it because it was kind of expensive. I'm sure a lot of you guys might have also wish listed this product because it is so much raved about. But it was also expensive, so I did not buy it for such a long time. But they have reduced the MRP, and it is the Bioderma Micellar Water. This is how the product looks like. This is a teeny tiny bottle. Obviously, it's a 100 ml bottle, but this retails for 395 rupees for 100 ml, which I think is great for Bioderma. Now this one retailed for 660 rupees earlier, which is how much? Can someone do the math for me? Not double, but I think I really don't know. So it was for 660 rupees. The point is that it was expensive, but now they've reduced the MRP. This is such a good micellar water, you guys. This removes everything, like every bit of makeup. But this one does remove even waterproof mascara, even the darkest of dark kajals, eyeshadows, everything, and your skin will look so clean. You wouldn't even have to do a face wash after this, but I obviously do. Now I always double cleanse my face whenever I apply makeup, and even on days that I do not apply makeup, I always wear a sunscreen even when I'm indoors because of all the chemical exfoliation and everything. So I make sure I double cleanse my face in the evening. So for that I use this, and then I follow up with a face wash, or sometimes I wash my face with the face wash and then use this as a follow-up step, and it removes every bit of dirt and gunk and makeup and everything. This is such a good product, guys, and for 400 rupees I think this is a steal. Like seriously, this is a steal. If you are someone like me who wanted to get the Bioderma Micellar Water but could not because it was so expensive, good news, because they have reduced the MRP, so get your hands on this one. The next product I have here is the Biotique Bio Morning Nectar Visibly Flawless Face Wash. This is such a good face wash. I don't even remember how many tubes of this I have emptied. Oh my god, I really love this face wash. I always reach out to this face wash. I've tried a lot of face washes, they're also great, but this one is so affordable for the quantity. This is 150 ml bottle. It retails for just 150 rupees. That is so inexpensive. This does the job really well. It cleanses your face so well. Now this one does not remove waterproof mascara, of course, but if you are wearing makeup, then this will remove the makeup as well, except the waterproof mascara and lash glue. Now if you are someone who does not wear makeup on a daily basis, like a lot of makeup on a daily basis, you would just need a little bit of coconut oil to remove your waterproof mascara, and then follow it up with this face wash. It will remove every bit of makeup, dirt, gunk, everything from your face. This is such a beautiful face wash, and I have been using this constantly since a long time. I even love the moisturizer from the same range. I think Biotique is such an underrated brand, you guys. It does such good things to your skin. I have a lot of products from this brand, and I really love all the products, and especially this range. I really like the Bio Morning Nectar range. All of the products from this range are really great. They're also very affordable, so if you are someone who's just getting into skincare, I would highly recommend checking out Biotique. The next product I have here is again something that I have been using constantly since such a long time. I think over a year I've emptied a lot of tubs of this one. This is a tiny one because the larger one was not available in my nearest store. So I had to get this one, but this again is such a good affordable moisturizer. It is the Lakme Peach Milk Soft Creme version. This is not the gel version, this is the creme, so this is a little bit more moisturizing than the gel one. If you are from the oily skin type, I don't know how much this will work for you, but if you are from the normal to dry to combination skin type, then this one will work wonders for you. I'll show you guys the texture of this is also so creamy. I've used up so much of this one as well, and I really like this moisturizer. The fragrance of it is also great, but again the moisturizer is so great in itself. I usually use this in my morning skincare routine. Now this is great to wear under your makeup as well. It gives a nice glow to your skin. It makes your skin look nice and plump. I usually use it in my morning skincare routine and also before I apply my makeup. I have a couple of moisturizers that I use interchangeably, but I definitely reach out for this one a lot. Now this is a 25-gram tub, not a lot. This retails for just 40 rupees. Can you believe it, guys? A moisturizer for 40. If you apply this twice a day, I think this will last you for around 2 weeks. But if you apply it just once a day, it will last you for a month. You just need the tiniest amount, and it makes your skin really soft and smooth and glowy and everything good. So definitely try out this moisturizer. The next product I have here is something that I have been obsessed with lately. I've heard a lot of beauty bloggers talk about this, especially Nidhi from the Trend Diaries. I follow her. I love her content. So she talks about this product. It is the Good Vibes Rosehip Radiant Glow Serum. So this is how the product looks like. Now I have been using this for I guess 3 weeks now, and I use this in my morning skincare routine because I don't have a serum in my morning skincare routine, so I thought of including this in my routine, and this is such a good product. Again, it gives a very nice glow to my skin. As the name suggests, it is a radiant glow face serum. Now a lot of Good Vibes products did not work for me. Like, it's a 50-50. Few of them did, few of them didn't, and this is definitely something that did. So if you are someone who does not have a lot of skin issues, you just have a little bit of a dry skin, and then you don't have a lot of blemishes and scars and all of that, then definitely try this one out. It's very affordable. Again, it retails for 400 rupees for a 30 ml of product, but you can definitely get a 10 ml product for 150, 130, 150 something if you just want to try it out. So definitely try this one. I have been loving this serum so much. I just cannot stop using it. I even sometimes use underneath my makeup, but usually I use this as a treatment, and it has definitely given a good amount of glow to my skin. The last product I have here is the Lakme Lip Love Lip Balm in the variant Mango. Now, I was never like a tinted lip balm kind of person. I always use the the rich lip balm, the Vaseline or the Biotique lip balm that I apply like a thick layer on my lips at night and take it off in the morning. I never use tinted lip balms, but lately I have been obsessed with tinted lip balms. There are a couple of more options, but this is such a good lip lip balm, you guys. This does not leave like a very obvious tint like you are wearing a lip balm or like you are wearing a lipstick. It leaves like a very subtle tint, so it looks like my lips but better kind of lip balm. Also, this is highly moisturizing. Out of all the bullet lip balms that I have, I think this is the most moisturizing. This is even more moisturizing than the Maybelline Baby Lips. Everybody raves about that. I do love that as well, but this one is even more moisturizing than that one. You can use this underneath your what do you say, liquid lipstick. Now I do have a couple of lipsticks that suck the moisture of my lips. Like it makes my lips feel really dry and crinkly and dehydrated, but when I apply this lip balm underneath those lipstick, it feels so comfortable, so good. It doesn't even feel like I'm wearing what do you say, like matte liquid lipstick. Now I am wearing this underneath this liquid lipstick as well. It is the Lakme lipstick in Coral Sense. That is again a liquid matte lipstick, and with a lot of liquid matte lipstick, they tend to dry your skin out, they tend to dry your lips out basically. So this one definitely helps with that. So if you are looking for a nice hydrating lip balm to wear underneath your lipstick, or just as a lip balm that leaves like, you know, a nice subtle tint to your lips, then definitely try this one out. I don't remember the price of this, but I'm pretty sure it was below 150, I guess, somewhere 150, 170. I don't exactly remember the price, but you can definitely get it on discount somewhere near 150 only. I will leave all the links, all the prices, everything on the screen in the description box below, so that you guys can go check it out. So that is it for the video, guys. Those are all the affordable skincare products that I have been loving at the moment. They have worked really wonders for me. So that is why I really love these products. If you guys know more affordable skincare products that have worked wonders for you, leave it in the comment section down below and I will check it out. So that is all I had to say. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up. I'll see you guys next time.